Great play by Scott.
Cleverly it goes back to Bryce.
Round 20 kicked off with a crucial clash between South Melbourne and Geelong at the Lake Oval. The Swans a chance to steal the Cats' berth inside the top 5, while Geelong were gunning for their 3rd straight win.
Kicked off the ground by Evans. A goal. Clark with it. Broke away strongly. Johnny Newnham up. Great mark. Oh, that was a truly spectacular and great mark.
Absolutely quiet, Peter Morrison, today. Second touch, first kick. Oh, what a climb that one. Oh, what a beautiful mark by Max James. Doesn't he get airborne?
Oil in the centre of the ground. Down looking for Donahue, whose opponent is Scarlett. Could have been a free, and it's a mark. He completely outpointed Scarlett. Doyle, who's been a good centre man, is beautifully tackled. Hand pass goes across to Morrison. Morrison downfield. Oh, a bad miss by Malarkey. Picked up by Morwood to Evans again. A perfect hand pass and through for goal number 6. Coming away with it nicely is Bruce Nankervis. A long kick, a great kick, and rams it through. Picked up there very cleverly.
It turned out to be the 4th highest scoring match of all time, a 50-goal shootout, with Geelong leading at every change to ultimately prevail by 12 points. 26-11-167 to 24-11-155. Stuart Gull finishing with 8 goals for the Swans, while Larry Donahue booted 8 for the winners.
Magnificent player, a great hand pass to Sarah. Back it goes and steady for goal.